It is a huge part of the economy, but has been conspicuously absent from the political rhetoric. We're talking about housing. Diana Olick takes a look at how the market would fare under each potential administration.
The housing crash may be over, but the recovery is not. That's why the lack of focus on housing from either candidate is so glaring.
What we've really gotten is more directional conversation. One party talking about affordable housing, the other party talking about deregulating a financial market that seems to have largely seized up.
Neither have mentioned mortgage reform. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, the FHA, 95% of the mortgage market is still backed by the government, a relic of the mortgage meltdown. How do we bring private capital back to the marketplace? And how do we manage the growth of non-bank lenders?
Trump is obviously the big unknown in this space, but clearly his whole campaign is about growing the economy and smashing through regulations. So I think that you could see real upside with Trump as well, provided the economy and the other parts of his agenda don't derail everything.
Hillary Clinton also wants to grow the economy, but not at the expense of regulation. She has talked some about affordable housing and underserved communities. There have been proposals from the Clinton camp for down payment assistance programs and incentives for investors to build affordable rental units.
We'd certainly see a lot of support for the CFPB. And it's very likely that Senator Warren will have a big voice in a Clinton administration. And she's been no fan of the banks and certainly a proponent of more and more rigorous reform.
In the end, it all comes down to the economy. Whichever candidate is better at growing jobs and incomes will be better for housing, because those are the main drivers of home ownership. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.
And to read more about housing under either a Clinton or Trump administration, head to our website, nbr.com.